the pink bug. I like it so much, but I would really like the gray one. To have the gray one today too. I wish I had two, then I'd be happy. I just don't want to reload his batteries because I don't have a lot. See, he's already dead too. Oh, there he is, there he is, there he is. Oh. Oh, he's fighting. Get some. Oh. Oh, it keeps landing on its feet. It landed on its feet all the way down there. This one sure wouldn't. This one doesn't crawl good at all on carpet. Oh, didn't even land on his feet. They fell. Oh, never mind.